All right, so I just got this. This is a electric scrubber, and we're gonna check it out. Let's go ahead and open her up. All right off the bat, you get some gloves. Let's put those over there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different spinner heads that go on it. We'll set those there for now. And these are the 2 extensions. I just want you to see that there's electric input here. This is the female side with the screw top. On this side, you've got the males on the interior of it. And you put these together by kind of going like that and spinning them so you can make an extension to your wand. That's the middle section. Let's set that down there. It does come with the charger, which, let's go ahead and undo that. We can go ahead and plug that in. That's how long the cord is. We'll set that down here for now. This right here, I do believe is a holder that you can put on the wall to hold this thing. It's got a 3M thing here, and this is a spring action that you set your thing on. Let's set that there. All right, here comes the guts and the meat of it. So this here is the end. And I'm going to show you how this works right off the bat. All of these come with this little heads that slip on here, and you're going to notice there's 2 on the side here. There's 2 little like creases, and in here you've got the same thing. So you got to kind of slide them on and just smush them on, and they come off easy too. So they all fit on like that, right? You just got to get them in the right spot, and they fit on there like that. Let's do one more. I don't have to do them all, but they're all the same. So that's basically how it works, right? Ugh. All right, so this also has the male side here. And then here is the end of the wand. Right here, you're gonna see contacts and a catch for your battery. And it goes right there. And this, of course, goes in here like this. And then I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do this. Here's the battery right here. All right, I think it might have a charge in it. So if you look at the battery, you're gonna see that there's 2 little spots here where these contacts slide in. And this battery itself, you look, it's just like every battery. It's got that little catch right there that catches in here. So you just have to slide it on, and it's already running. That's fast, off, and slow. Let me just go ahead and put one of these on there so you can see it. All right, check it out. This also has a little thing here that can change the direction of it. So, you know, if it's hard to get to different, you know, if you're going underneath something, you can go like that. You know, here you go, you're cleaning. You don't want to change this and put it in the off position. See, it goes low, stop, high. Low, stop, high. All right. High, stop, low. And that's it right there. Now, if you want to put a wand on here and extend this, you can. You're gonna just pull this off, and then you can go ahead and put this on. And the way you put this on is you've got to kind of like turn it until you feel it slide in. And that it only goes on one way. And then you just kind of close this off like that. Bam, let's go ahead and put this straight. And then let's slide this way. And then we're gonna put this one right on here like this. You gotta kind of turn it till it fits and spin around, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Here we go. So that's how long it'll get. Not bad, huh? You can do some tricks with it too if you want. Anyway, that's how it works. All right, so anyway, to charge the battery, let me just go ahead and I'm gonna put all this in the box for now. Set that over there. I'm gonna move the chair out of the way, and or I can just leave the chair here, I guess. So here's our charger. Make sure it's in frame. And then we're gonna go ahead and just put it in here. And this did have a little bit of a charge on it, so we're just gonna go ahead and, to get it off, you squeeze this and just pull it, right? And we'll let that sit there. Now, when I put this on, this is gonna turn a different color, and it's red. And so I guess we just have to wait for that to charge, and then, you know, you get a full charge on it. Let's look at it sliding away from us. Here we go. So we'll just wait for that to charge, and we'll come back when it's green. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Oh, it does come with directions, which we didn't use.